First at 6, storms have moved into Central Florida. You have seen the clouds growing all day long, and right now the radar is lit up as that rain moves across our state. And that rain is just part of a pattern that's going to be sticking around.
It certainly is for at least the next few days. Chief Meteorologist Tony Manalfi is tracking it all for us. And Tony, it seems like just the other day we wanted some rain, and now it seems like a bit too much.
You may be very careful what you ask for, right, Michelle? Hey, 3 flood advisories thus far today in Marion County. The most recent one does include Ocala and Anthony through 8 o'clock. Let me take you up towards Lake Dora right now. You can see one of those bands of moderate to heavy rain coming on through it. And look at these temperatures. This time of the day, it's usually in the 90s. Not today with that upper low to our west and all of this deep, rich tropical moisture coming up from the south. We knew this was going to happen. We talked about this yesterday. It was just a matter of time for that energy to be lifted northward here across central Florida. And lo and behold, that's what we have. Salt Springs over towards Citra, Micanopy, Anthony, Ocala. Pockets of moderate to heavy rain here. Cam and I have been looking at some of the numbers. Over 2 inches in a few locales there now in portions of Marion County. Palm Coast, Marineland, Shell Bluff, Bunnell getting in on the rain. And then we had from Bellevue to Wildwood, Fruitland Park, the Villages, over towards Lisbon and Eustis. Moderate to heavy rain coming right up the Florida Turnpike and 441. The metro areas are okay. A couple showers trying to build back up our way. And then the Turnpike right now, just a couple spotty showers. Reddick, the big winner now, closing in on 2 inches of rain. We take a look now at Futurecast for the evening. To me, it looks like the heaviest of the rain is going to focus now from I-4 to Interstate 75. But later on tonight, right around midnight, there may be some energy trying to redevelop along the coast. We'll give you an update on that tonight a little bit later on. So 7, 9, and 11, 76, 75, 74. There is a tropical connection potentially developing here as this feature rides to the northeast away from central Florida. There could be some development. It's not really going to impact us. What is, though, is the heavy rain. We'll take a look at the tropics coming up a little bit later on, guys.